Here is a short guide on how to digitize this seashell into a 3D model using Artec Studio AI Photogrammetry. I have filmed this seashell in two different orientations in a dome trajectory. Now, once the photos are completed, it is time to import our photos into Artec Studio. Drag and drop the folder with the photos into Artec Studio. Once imported, you can double-click the photos in the workspace, and here you can navigate through all of the photos that you have taken. Go to Tools, Create Preview, and here specify the photoset capture setup. Set it to rotated moved in each photo. I have filmed the object on the turntable, and I have flipped it during filming, so this is the correct option. Then, under the advanced settings, I am going to disable the fast processing to get the best geometry result possible. Now, run the algorithm. Here is our completed preview. Now, double-click the photo scan in the workspace and adjust the bounding box to fit the object better. You can use the navigation cube in the top right corner to find a better angle. Once the bounding box is adjusted, go to Tools, Create Model, and here set the AI processing mode. It works the best for small to medium objects. I'm going to set my detail to enhanced to get the best geometry result possible. However, it will take longer in comparison with the normal mode. Under the advanced settings, you will see that the extract object from background is enabled by default. It is correct, because I have flipped my object and filmed it on a turntable. Here is the completed model. I will go to Tools and run the mesh optimization algorithm. It will reduce the poly count and prepare the mesh for the next steps. Now go to Texture and here apply the algorithm. For this mesh, the default settings are going to work well. And here is the textured model, which is ready for export. Right-click your model in the workspace. Navigate to Export, Export Meshes, and here specify the export folder. Then specify the model and texture export formats, and you could set a custom export name for your model. Hit Enter or click OK, and your export is completed.